Hey, what's going on YouTube? MC Seth here, coming at you from the spare room. Today we're going to be talking about my book that's just come out, and I'm going to give away one. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Right, for those of you who don't know, I'm DJ Seth, MC Seth, Seth, Joseph, it doesn't matter what you want to call me, it's fine. I run the Serial Carnage YouTube channel where I give tips, tricks and tutorials about how to make your print-on-demand business as good as it can be. Now today, we're going to be talking about something really special. It's just over here. This is my book. It's just come out on Amazon. I was experimenting with KDP, and this is not something I actually planned to do, but I was interviewing Jack Ingram a couple of weeks ago and was talking after the interview, and I suggested that maybe he himself write a book, since we've been using the KDP platform so much and we're so familiar with it. And the next day I got to work on writing the book, because I found that when I was looking around for courses and stuff, that they were quite expensive for the same information that I would have put in this book here. So if you buy this book, it can contend with some of the really expensive courses out there. I've really sort of shrunk down the amount of information in there, and it's got the same amount of information. I've just shrunk it down into sort of bite-sized chunks, so you can literally pick this book up a couple of hours later. You're going to be well on your way to knowing what you're doing if you didn't know what print on demand was prior to reading the book, or taking one of those courses. So that's what it's all about, really. So here it is: Print Your Dreams and Demand Success, the honest guide to print on demand. Bit of a long title, but I'm not a pro at this. This is my first ever book, so be gentle with your reviews if you come round to buying this book. But let's get into the juicy stuff, shall we? Anyway, I'm going to give away one of these books, not this one here, but it's going to be the same book, same revision. All you need to do is like, subscribe and comment on this video, and that is all you're going to have to do. There's nothing else you have to do on the social media or anything like that. It's not going to help your application if you do that, but you can do that too, because that's always good. But all you have to do is like, subscribe and comment on this video. Comment anything you want, just I want the book, give me the damn book, print your dreams, whatever you want to comment is fine. That's all you have to do to enter this competition, and I'll pick one person at random, as long as you are able to be supplied by the Amazon marketplace, as long as your address is covered by your by Amazon, because I'll just send it over from my account. So as long as you can be delivered to from Amazon, which I'm sure you can, it should be fine. So yeah, I'll pick one person at random within the next couple of weeks, and I'll let you know what's going on. So anyway, I'm not going to take up much of your time. Thanks for watching, and I'll get around to you soon.